So dear students, today we consider exercise 3.6, very interesting problem. The problem given, solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. These are reciprocal given. We convert in pair of linear equation and you want to solve for x and y. Now solution start. Number 1 we consider. In number 1, this is given 1 by twice x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. So, these are reciprocally given, variables are given in reciprocal. Let 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. This 1 by x you consider u, this is 1 by y you consider v. Therefore, the equations 1 by twice u, 1 by 3v equal to 2. First one we get this 1 by twice u, 1 by 2u, 1 by 2 into u, 1 by 3 into v equal to 2. If we taking LCM, this is 6 LCM, 3u plus twice v equal to 2. 3u plus twice v equal to 12. This is number 1 we consider. Again, this equation 1 by 3 u, 1 by 2 v equal to 13 by 6. 1 by x means u, 1 by y means v. And taking LCM, LCM is 6. This is twice u plus 3v equal to 13 by 6. 6 cancel, 6 cancel, then we get twice u plus 3v equal to 13. This is number 2 we get. Now we get 3u plus twice v equal to 12 and 2u plus 3. The coefficients are different. U coefficient 3, here u coefficient 2, here 2, this is 3. Now we find the like coefficient. Now equation number 1, this is our 1 multiplying this 2, multiplying by 2 coefficient of u, then this will be 6u plus 4v equal to 24. If we multiplying this equation by 2, then 6u 4v 24, and equation number 2 multiplying by this 3, opposite this 3, then 3, then this implies equation number 2 multiplying by 3, then this will be 6u 9v equal to, this is 39. If we multiplying by 3, 6u 9v equal to 39. Now we consider this is number 3, this is number 4. 6u same. If we subtract, this will be cancelled. So 3 minus 4 implies this cancel, this minus this we get minus 5v, and this minus this we get minus 5. This is 15, minus 15. 9 minus 4 is 5. This minus this is 1. So minus 15. Then v equal to minus 15 by minus 5. This equal to 3. So we get v equal to 3. Now putting the value of v in equation number either 1 or 2. Putting the value of v equal to 3 in equation 1, we get, in 1 we get 3u plus 2v, v means 3, this is 12, 3u plus 6 equal to 12, 3u equal to 12 minus 6, 3u equal to 6, and u equal to 6 by 3, this equal to 2. Therefore, we get u equal to 2, v equal to 3. But actually, uv not given in our problem given in terms of x and y. So, we putting the value of u. This implies u means initially consider u means 1 by x, v means 1 by y. So, in place of u, you putting 1 by x, and in place of v, you putting 1 by y equal to 3. Taking x this side, y this side, so x equal to 1 by 2, and this one here, then y equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 3. This 2 is our answer. This is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is our answer. This is our answer. Now we consider problem number 2. This is 1 by root x, 1 by root y given. So, we consider solution. We consider 1 by root x equal to u. Let 1 by root x equal to u, 1 by root y equal to v. We consider this. Therefore, we get twice u plus 3v equal to 2. This is number 1. 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. This is number 2. Just 1 by root x means u, 1 by root y means v, we get these two equations. But in these two equations, if we multiplying this equation by 2, then we get 4. 4u minus 4u cancel. Or this equation multiplying by 3, then 9v, 9b adding, then this will cancel. Now multiplying by 2. Now equation number 1 multiplying by 2. Then we get 4u, 6v equal to 4. This is number 3 we consider. Both sides multiplying by 2, then 4u, 6v equal to 2. Now 2 minus 3 implies this minus this, 4u cancel, this minus this, we get minus 15v equal to minus 5, v equal to minus 15 by minus 5 by minus 15, this equal to 1 by 3 we get. Putting the value of v equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1, we get, in equation 1 we get twice u plus 3v, v means 1 by 3. This is 2. We get this one. This 3 cancel. Twice u plus 1 equal to 2. 2u equal to 2 minus 1, 2u equal to 1, u equal to 1 by 2. This is u. Therefore, u equal to 1 by 2 and v equal to 1 by 3. But in our problem, originally problem given in terms of x and y, but for our convenience, we consider u and v. So, putting the value of u means 1 by root x and v means 1 by root y. In place of u, you putting 1 by root x, and in place of v, 1 by root y. This. Then cross multiplication, 2 equal to root x. If we squaring both sides, then 4 equal to x, or x equal to 4. 3 multiplying this side, 3 equal to root y, 9 equal to y. If we squaring both sides, we get 9 equal to y. Therefore, x equal to 4, y equal to 9. This is our answer. Very easy. Consider problem number 3. In problem 3, only 1 by x, 1 by z. Y is no problem. So 1 by is given. Let 1 by x equal to u. Therefore, we get 4u plus 3y equal to 14, 3u minus 4y equal to 23. This is number 1, this is number 2. Now, elimination method, this is these coefficients are different. We multiplying this equation by 3 and this equation by this 4. 1 into 3 implies 12u 9y 42. This is number 3. 2 into 4 implies 12u minus 16y equal to this. Number 4 we consider. Now we subtract these two. So what we get? This is 12u, 12u same. We subtract this. Now 3 minus 4 implies 12u, 12u cancel. This minus this we get 25y, and this minus this we get 0 minus 50. This. And y equal to minus 50 by 25, this equal to minus 2. Y equal to we get minus 2. Now, putting the value of y in equation number 1. Putting the value of y equal to minus 2 in equation 1, we get 4u plus 3y equal to 14. 4u minus 6 equal to 14. 4u equal to 14 plus 6, and 4u equal to 20. U equal to 5. Therefore, U equal to 5 and Y equal to we get minus 2. But U is not given in our problem. U means 1 by x. So, this is 1 by x equal to 5. So, taking reciprocal, x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to minus 2. This 2 is our answer. Another interesting problem we consider. 5 by this, 1 by this, 6 by this. So, x minus 1, y minus 2, x minus 1, y minus 2, these are like. So, we consider this in reciprocal given. If reciprocal given, 1 by given, then we consider these are uv. Let 1 by x minus 1 equal to u, 1 by y minus 2 equal to v. We consider this. Therefore, the equation will be 5u plus v equal to 2. First equation I get this. And this is 6u minus 3v equal to 1. This is number 1, this is number 2. Now, these two are unlike coefficient. This is 3, this one 1. So, multiplying this equation by 3, then 3 same. This will be cancelled. Now, equation number 1 multiplying by 3. If we multiplying this equation by 3, then this will be 15u 3v equal to 6. This is number 3. These two are like. Now 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 we get this is 6 and this 21 we get 21u equal to 7. So, u equal to 7 by 21, u equal to 1 by 3. And putting the value of u in equation number 1, putting the value of u equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1, we get. So, putting u equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1 we get This is 5 into 1 by 3 plus V equal to 2. So V equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. 3 is LCM, 6 minus 5, 1 by 3 we get. Therefore, we get U equal to 1 by 3, V equal to 1 by 3. Now answer coming soon. Within a short time answer will come in our whiteboard. Now U means 1 by x minus 1 and V means 1 by y minus 2. Putting these two values, 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3, 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. So if we taking both side reciprocal, x minus 1 equal to 3, y minus 2 equal to 3, x equal to 3 plus 1, this is 4, y equal to 3 plus 2, this is 5. Therefore, x equal to 4, y equal to 5. And this is our answer. X equal to 4, y equal to 5. So dear students, these are very interesting problem and very easy, and these are very important for exam also. Any problem will come in your exam. So if these are very easy and you are feeling these are very easy, then please like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.